Email authentication ensures your emails reach your subscribers' inbox and helps improve your sender reputation. In MailerLite, you can authenticate your email by setting up domain authentication. Here's how. Access domain authentication settings. Log into your MailerLite account and navigate to the account settings from the profile icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, click Domain Authentication under the Email Settings section. Add your domain. In the Domain Authentication page, click the Add Domain button. Enter your domain and click Add. Update DNS records. MailerLite will provide DNS records that need to be added to your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain hosting provider and add the provided DKIM and SPF records. SPF ensures that emails sent from your domain are authorized. DKIM adds a digital signature to emails to verify the sender. Verify the authentication. After adding the DNS records, go back to MailerLite and click Verify. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once verified, your email domain will be authenticated.